sprawling beaches, and stunning scenery of Croatia will make you love it more and more. Croatia is famed for its scenic pebbled beaches, which are beautifully lapped by crystal clear waters. You can enjoy festival goers hosting an array of world-class musicians. You will enjoy verdant vineyards and lush forests. It has historic and architecturally rich cities. Don't miss the opportunity to marvel at all that Croatia has in store for you. Here are the 5 best places to visit in Croatia. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Number 1. Dubrovnik. With a history that dates back to the 7th century, Dubrovnik is a historic city on the Dalmatian coast, and one of the best places to visit in Croatia. Featuring a historic city center and startlingly beautiful nature, Dubrovnik combines everything we love about Croatia into one storied city. Dubrovnik has the amazing Mediterranean climate, which guarantees a lot of sunny days throughout the year. The crystal clear waters and the beaches are also beautiful, especially contrasting with the view of spectacular walls of the Old Town. The city's Old Town is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and full of historic landmarks like the walls of Dubrovnik and Rector's Palace. The crystal clear waters and the beaches are also beautiful, especially contrasting with the view of spectacular walls of the Old Town. Number 2. Split. It is the second largest city of Croatia because of its ideal climate. With 2,800 hours of sunlight each year, local people have a few nicknames for Split. Split has a university and an oceanographic institute. Museums include the Metrovi Gallery, devoted to the works of the Croatian sculptor Ivan Metrovi. That is, the most beautiful city in the world, and the Mediterranean Flower. Also, you will get best wines and wide variety of accommodations and shopping complexes. Collectively, with the historic royal residences, fortifications, and churches in the city, the palace was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. Number 3. The Dalmatian Coast. The Dalmatian Coast is a must-stop on the itinerary of any visitor who finds themselves in Croatia. Some of the most beautiful beaches of Croatia can be found in this region, which only further enhances its allure for the tourists. There are a tremendous number of options for entertainment, food, sightseeing, and more. From serene beaches to the exquisite medieval architecture and streets made of marble, all are a testament to the region's supremacy. Those whose wanderlust may still not be satiated by touring the historic sites and beaches can take their trip up a notch by booking a gullet cruise in Croatia. A gullet cruise on the Adriatic Sea will provide an enthralling adventure that includes sunsets, fishing, interaction with other tourists, food, and an overall amazing time. Number 4. Mljet Island. The island lures visitors from various parts of the world and never ceases to amaze them with its enchanting beauty. The Mljet Island, also a part of the Adriatic Islands, is well known for its eye-catching greenery, wines, cheese, and delicious olives. A national park was also established at its western end in 1960. Other than this, the island's geographical structure mostly consists of slopes, ridges, and crests. The two salted lakes located on the island, namely Veliko and Malo, are widely popular. These lakes are a major source of attraction for visitors for swimming and fishing. The lakes add a beautiful charm to this island. After all, there is a reason that island is labeled as the most seductive island of the Adriatic. It even has had Prince Charles visit it not one but 2 times. Number 5. Rovinj. Back in the old days, it was regarded as a fishing town, but now the place is visited by masses in the summer and has gained popularity as a vacationing spot. This enchanting town will capture the heart of its visitors through its pretty little streets, magnificent churches, town museums, and more. There is also the Roven Aquarium, that is known to be the oldest in all of the European regions. The town of Roven is filled with history, values, and lots of options for sightseeing, which makes it one of the most beautiful places to visit in Croatia.